Good morning. This is a morning EFT tapping session to help you start your day with a calm mind, gratitude, and intention. We'll start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, start tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I don't know exactly what today will bring, I choose to start this day with an open mind and an open heart. Eyebrow point. Today is a new beginning. Side of the eye. I don't have to be perfect today. Under the eye. I only need to take one step at a time. Under the nose. I'm grateful for this new day. Under the mouth. I'm grateful for another opportunity to grow. Collarbone. Today, I choose to show up for myself. Under the arm. One small step today is enough. Top of the head. I'm ready for whatever today brings. Now back to the eyebrow point. Today, I choose peace over rushing. Side of the eye. I choose progress over perfection. Under the eye. I can handle today one moment at a time. Under the nose. I trust myself. Under the mouth. I choose gratitude. Collarbone. I choose kindness towards myself. Under the arm. I'm building my future one day at a time. Top of the head. Today is another opportunity to move forward. Now you can stop tapping and take one more slow breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Thank you for taking a few minutes to show up for yourself today. I hope you leave feeling calm, grateful, and ready for whatever today brings. If you like, stay here for the next minute to relax, breathe, and simply enjoy the music. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.